Now, dear student, as I am talking about the different type of external device and hardware, we are working with those different type of hardware devices. Now, I am coming to the next part, that is chapter number 12, introduction to the networking. Networking means internet system. We are having the internet system. Okay, so different pattern of internet systems that we are using, and we are working with those different type of networking system. So internet system and networking system. Internet means internet is a network of network. That means we are connecting the several devices from one place to another place, and we are doing the data, accessing the data. So there is www, world wide web is there, or three w's, we can say it. Website, we are using the website, and web pages is made up of HTML web page. Okay, web page is of two type. One is static, one is dynamic. Static means which will remain as it is. Okay, it will not going to change. It will store for it, like tutorial web page and all these things, CBSE site web page. And dynamic means we change frequently, the thing going to change frequently, like different shopping websites, they change their sites frequently, so that is a dynamic. Clear? Home page means the first page. When you open anything, the first page that you see, like if you open the CBSE site, you see the first page, that is the home page, isn't it? HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol. This type of protocol is being used to do or send the information, image, data, videos, all these things from one platform to the another platform. Okay, that's a very user friendly. One more thing is URL, uniform resource locator is there. With the help of uniform resource locator, you can send the data and information, like http www.mywebsite.com. This is one type of example of your URL example. Okay, this is a protocol. Protocol means the address. Okay, the address through which we can communicate. Web browser, we can find the different type of web browser, like we are very aware of this Microsoft Google Chrome, then Microsoft Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Opera, all these things, isn't it? So application internet, different type of application internet, social. We are what we are doing at this moment is emailing, chatting, video conference, e-learning, as we are doing e-shopping, e-reservation, e-banking. Lot of work we are doing all this, isn't it? So these are the things what we do. Next, we come to the chapter number 13, email, introducing to the email. So email sections, how the email is. Email means electronic mailing section. So electronic mailing section means where we are sending a mail through electronic media. So this electronic media we are sending it. What are the advantage? It is very easy and fast. It will going to reach to the particular person directly. We can send lot of message, picture, sounds. Okay, globally we can send from any place to any place. It will not going to charge any weight, that if you go and want to send a letter by speed post, it will have to charge by a weight. You do not have to pay any extra money for it, isn't it? So email is very eco-friendly, and wastage of paper is also not there. We can save the trees also. So this is what email addressing is there. We have a different type of email address: user address and host address. That means who is sending, this is the user, and to whom it is sending, that is the host. So two person. So at the rate of symbol, we can see the at the rate of symbol. Suppose your name at the rate of gmail.com. Okay, so this is here what my email at the rate of gmail.com. At the root symbol, you can see it, that using the at the rate symbol, you can find it. There are the different email programmers, like Gmail. We all certainly commonly use the Gmail. There is a Yahoo also, Rediff also. So any of the user engine you can use, and you can send your document. This is what email. See here how the email is two. There is one portion two. Two means what? See, this is the two area, CC, BC document. So two means the option allows you to write the email person whom you want to send, to whom you are sending. CC means carbon copy. Okay, carbon copy, whom you are sending. Suppose you are sending to government chief minister, you are government sending to the president, then you are sending to the prime minister, you are sending to the chief minister. So CC will be, if the two is president, CC will be your prime minister, BC is your chief minister. CC is a carbon copy. Okay, one copy will be sent to that particular person. BCC is blind carbon copy. So it allows to send the same message to the another several persons, many persons you can send. I am just giving here example. After that, you will find a section where it is a subject. You have to write what the subject is. Then the attachment. This is the portion where you